How to buy meme coins on Phantom Wallet. To do so, you can click on buy button and then you just need to either search for specific meme coin that you want to purchase. Let's say I want to purchase the official Trump meme coin, so I will simply click on it and then I need to enter the amount and proceed with the transaction. Now it might be a bit expensive to purchase meme coins with extra fees. The alternative way is, if you have some assets in your Phantom wallet like Solana or Bitcoin, you can swap them on Jupiter for that specific meme coin. So let's say I want to use Jupiter in this example. You can also use other platforms like Radium. Now you just need to select the asset that you have, and in the buying you just need to paste the specific meme coin token address. Make sure to double check that you are purchasing the right token. So in this case it is the Trump official token, and then you just need to enter the amount and then you just need to purchase that specific meme coin. This way it is going to show up in your Phantom wallet, but make sure that you are in the right account before proceeding. So this is a way of how you can buy meme coins on Phantom wallet.